Welcome to Melbourne City Toyota. Our 4 service centres are here to help.
My name is Ryan. I've been a Toyota technician for 15 years.
My name is Nick and I've been a Toyota technician for 34 years.
I'm Michael. I've been working for Toyota for 14 years.
My name is Mill and I've been a Toyota technician for 8 years.
I'm Julius Sumali. I've been a Toyota technician for 30 years.
My name's Jake and I've been a Toyota technician for 6 years.
G'day, I'm Nick. I've been a Toyota technician for 22 years.
My name is Jake. I've been Toyota technician for 7 years.
Welcome to Camberwell
Heidelberg,
South Melbourne
and the CBD.
Welcome to Melbourne City Toyota.
Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.